Welcome to the vibrant world of Etsy, a marketplace where millions of shoppers connect with passionate creators like you. Turn your passion into profit. Etsy equips you with the tools for success. Stand out with strategy and finesse. This guide is your roadmap to Etsy mastery. Explore tactics to elevate your shop. Unlock shop optimization and SEO secrets. Learn pricing, customer service, and marketing. Picture your shop buzzing with activity. This dream can be your reality. Etsy empowers independent creators. It's a celebration of craftsmanship and originality. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's dive in and discover Etsy success. Your Etsy shop is your virtual storefront, and first impressions are crucial. A well-optimized shop creates a welcoming atmosphere that encourages browsing and buying. Think beyond simply listing products. Aim to craft an experience that reflects your brand's unique personality. Start with a memorable shop name and logo that capture the essence of your products. Use high-quality images and a cohesive color scheme to create a visually appealing aesthetic. Clearly define your shop policies, including shipping details and return information, to build trust with potential buyers. Craft a compelling About section that tells your story and connects with customers on a personal level. Share your inspiration, your process, and what makes your product special. Remember, people buy from people, so let your personality shine through. By focusing on these key elements, you'll transform your Etsy shop into a destination that shoppers will love to visit and revisit. A well-branded shop builds credibility, fosters customer loyalty, and ultimately drives sales. Imagine this: a shopper searches for a handmade ceramic mug on Etsy. Will your shop appear at the top of the search results or get lost in the shuffle? That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. It's the art of making your shop and products easily discoverable by Etsy's search algorithm. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. Think like a buyer. What words would they use to find your products? Incorporate these relevant keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and tags. Etsy allows up to 13 tags per listing, so utilize them strategically to cover all possible search terms. Product titles should be clear, concise, and descriptive. Instead of just ceramic mug, try handmade blue ceramic mug with mountain design. This title provides more information and includes relevant keywords. In your product descriptions, tell the story behind your product, highlight its unique features, and use natural language incorporating your chosen keywords. Mastering SEO takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By understanding how buyers search for products and optimizing your listings accordingly, you'll increase your shop's visibility, attract more potential customers, and ultimately boost your sales. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in the world of online selling. High-quality product photography can make or break a sale on Etsy. Compelling images capture attention, showcase your products in the best light, and entice shoppers to learn more. Invest in good lighting. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, use soft, diffused artificial light to avoid harsh shadows. Choose a clean and uncluttered background that doesn't distract from your product. White or light-colored backgrounds often work best. Showcase your product from multiple angles. Include close-ups to highlight details and different perspectives to give shoppers a complete understanding of the item. Consider using props to create a lifestyle setting and help buyers envision your product in their own lives. Remember, your goal is to present your products in the most appealing way possible. High-quality photos build trust, convey professionalism, and ultimately lead to more sales. Engaging your audience, crafting compelling product descriptions. Your product description is your chance to tell your product's story, connect with potential buyers, and persuade them to click that Add to Cart button. It's more than just a list of features. It's an opportunity to engage your audience and create an emotional connection. Start with a strong opening line that grabs the reader's attention. Highlight the key benefits of your product and how it can solve a problem or enhance the buyer's life. Use descriptive language that evokes emotions and paints a vivid picture in the reader's mind. Break up your text with bullet points and headings to improve readability. Include essential information such as size, materials, and care instructions. Don't forget to incorporate your target keywords naturally throughout the description to improve SEO. Remember, a well-written product description can be the deciding factor in a customer's purchase decision. By crafting compelling and informative descriptions, you'll increase your chances of converting browsers into buyers. Pricing strategies. Finding the sweet spot for profitability. Pricing your products strategically is crucial for the success of your Etsy shop. You need to find a balance between attracting customers and ensuring you're making a profit. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, but understanding the factors involved will help you determine the right price point for your unique products. Start by calculating your costs, including materials, labor, packaging, and Etsy fees. Research your competitors' pricing to get a sense of the market rate for similar items. Consider the perceived value of your products. Handmade, unique items often command higher prices. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies. You could offer discounts for multiple purchases, bundle products together, or create limited edition items at a premium price. Monitor your sales and adjust your pricing as needed to find the sweet spot that maximizes your profit margins. Remember, pricing is not a one-time decision. It's an ongoing process of evaluation and adjustment. By staying informed, analyzing your data, and being willing to adapt, you'll ensure your pricing strategy remains effective and profitable. The customer is king, delivering exceptional service. In the competitive world of Etsy, exceptional customer service can really set you apart from the crowd. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your shop to others. Providing outstanding service is an investment in the long-term success of your business. Respond to inquiries promptly and professionally. Be helpful, friendly, and go the extra mile to assist customers with their questions or concerns. Personalize your interactions by addressing customers by name and tailoring your responses to their individual needs. Package your orders with care and consider adding a handwritten thank you note or a small gift to show your appreciation. Ship orders on time and provide tracking information to keep customers informed. Address any shipping issues promptly and professionally. By exceeding customer expectations, you'll create a loyal following who will not only return for more but also become brand ambassadors, spreading the word about your exceptional products and service. Marketing magic, promoting your Etsy shop for maximum visibility. Creating amazing products is only half the battle. You also need to get them in front of the right customers. That's where marketing comes in. Effective marketing strategies increase your shop's visibility, drive traffic to your listings, and ultimately boost sales. Utilize Etsy's built-in marketing tools. Etsy Ads allows you to promote your products directly within Etsy's search results and other relevant pages. Etsy Offsite Ads automatically advertise your products across the web, and you only pay a fee when a sale is made. Leverage the power of social media. Create engaging content that showcases your products, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, and customer testimonials. Interact with your followers, respond to comments, and run contests or giveaways to increase engagement. Explore collaborations with influencers or bloggers in your niche. Offer free products in exchange for honest reviews or feature your products in their content. Cross-promote your shop with other Etsy sellers by participating in joint giveaways or featuring each other's products. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. By consistently implementing effective marketing strategies, you'll attract a steady stream of potential customers and keep your shop top of mind. The power of social media. Connecting with your target audience. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are powerful tools for Etsy sellers to connect with their target audience. Showcase your products in engaging ways to reach a wider audience. Instagram is ideal for sharing high-quality photos and short videos. Use relevant hashtags to reach potential customers. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and hosting Q&A sessions. Pinterest is a visual search engine where users can discover and save ideas. Create eye-catching pins that showcase your products. Link your pins directly to your Etsy listings. Facebook allows you to create a dedicated page for your Etsy shop. Join Facebook groups related to your niche. Consistency is key on social media. Post regularly and track your results. Build a strong social media presence to drive traffic to your Etsy shop. Conclusion. Embrace the journey, reap the rewards. Building a successful Etsy shop is a journey, not a destination. It requires passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to Etsy mastery. Remember to optimize your shop for both customers and Etsy's search algorithm. Invest in high-quality product photography and craft compelling product descriptions that engage your audience. Price your products strategically, deliver exceptional customer service, and leverage the power of marketing to reach a wider audience. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit, experiment with different approaches, and never stop learning. The world of Etsy is constantly evolving, so stay informed about new trends and updates. Connect with other Etsy sellers, share your experiences, and learn from each other. Most importantly, have fun. Etsy is a platform for passionate creators to share their unique talents with the world. Embrace the journey, celebrate your successes, and enjoy the rewards of turning your passion into profit.